my channel. You're watching Easy Makeup Artist. And happy September, guys. It's already bare months na. Ilang buwan na lang. It's going to be near to Christmas. And before that, since it's already also a fall season na, I'm going to show you how to create a smoky eye inspired by fall season. So guys, if you want to achieve that makeup look, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell button for notification, and don't forget to like this video. So, happy watching, guys! So guys, before I do the smoky eye makeup, I've already prepped my model's face. I already applied moisturizer and primer. Then, it's up to you kung anong gusto nyo unahin. If you want to do the eye first and the brow first before the foundation, or you can do foundation first, blush and contour before the eyeshadow and the brows. It's up to you kung ano yung preference nyo and kung saan kayo comfortable. But for me, I'm going to start first with the foundation. Ako naman kasi I can do both naman eh. I can do eyes first or I can do foundation first. So, keep on watching. I'm going to use Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession Palette. So, I want to keep the fall on a warm side. So, ito yung mga shades na gagamitin ko. Smoky eye, you can use 2 eyeshadow or you can use 3, whatever you like. Pero ang purpose kasi ng smoky eye is, look at the camera. Smoky eye is, close your eyes, darker, and then lighter or fade on the upper part. So that is the purpose of smoky eye. You can use 2 colors, you can use 3 colors, as long as yung aim natin is to make it a smoky eye effect. You could use also the transition color to contour the eye, to know where exactly is the crease. May ibang gumagawa ng smoky eye, they use a darker shade first, and then they apply the lighter on the upper area. Meron din, to make this smoky eye color more pop, they use a base first, meaning they use a eye cream eyeshadow with the same shade, na dark shade, and then tsaka nila a-applyan ng eyeshadow powder. Actually, I've already created a video. I'm going to link it down below kung paano ko gawin yung smoky eye makeup ko. Okay, another tip, doon sa mga nagsusmoky eyes na hindi gumagamit ng wet application technique, you could apply first a translucent powder under the eye. Once na may powder siya, let it set, and then gawa ka ng eyeshadow mo, and after that, you could remove it. Yung mga nagpo-fall out sa eyeshadow, you could remove it, dust it off. Or you can also use eyeshadow shield para yung mga fall out ng mga eyeshadow powder ay hindi mag-stick sa foundation. Okay, so for the smoky eye, yung darker effect, I'm going I'm now going to apply this color dito sa base ng eyelid niya. And then, i-blend natin. Again, kung wala kayong cream eyeshadow na same shade ng color, you could use the wet application method. So, pwede yan. I-wet nyo lang yung brush, you dip it here, and then you apply it on the lid. And then you blend it out. Open. So, sometimes ask your client to open their eyes para makita mo kung saan aabot yung dark eyeshadow. Para hindi naman masyadong mataas yung dark area, at least may effect na fade area, fade effect. Kasi I like to do it in sideways. Sideways in a sense na hindi pag ganito yung pag-blend ko, but in an angular position. Para at least kahit hindi ko i-circular yung pagbabrush ko sa eyes, nalalagyan pa rin niya ng konting darkness na fade niya. Ano it makes sense na fade niya, nalalagyan niya yung piece. So, don't do this directly like that. Maganda yung medyo angular para ganito yung effect niya. Makikita. Makukuha pa rin niya yung crease area mo, hindi harsh. Magmumukhang malalim yung eyes. So, better, hanggang dito lang. Close your eyes. Hanggang dito lang. Open. Hanggang dito lang sa area na to. And then, doon sa taas, on the upper area, dyan ka lang maglalagay ng lighter color. Para yung eyes ng model ko sila mag-forward. Because applying any dark shade, it helps to make the area recede backward. Then, continue to build your dark eyeshadow. Depende sa gusto mo. You can also use your fingers to gently blend the area. Combining this one and it's like a warm brownish orange color, and ito naman yung may pagka slight red orange brown color. Apply it on the crease. Whatever you apply sa upper eyes natin, ganun din yung lalagay natin sa lower eyes, and then we will apply black liner to make it more smoky and dramatic effect. lower waterline, and then a little wing for the eyes. I'm going to use Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in shade of Trendsetter and Spice Girl. So I'm going to aim for a warm nudish brown lipstick to complement. Hey guys, this is the final look, and as you can see, this is the eye smoky makeup inspired by fall season na, and my eye smoky eye medyo detailed lang konti because I use more than 2 colors. So, to make it more emphasis dun sa mata and the inspiration of fall. And as you can see guys, the look is more fierce, it's sassy, and the hair, it complements the eye makeup. I only did a slick hair lang and matching the dangling accessories for the ears. And this look is really good for any occasion, for party, or even for photography makeup or anything that you want. Makeup has no rules. You can wear anything you want as long as you're confident with it. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel. Share it if you learned something from me. And tag me also if you learned something from me dito sa iSmokey application na ito. I will be also linking my old video of how to create a simple smoky eye makeup. It's on the description box below. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. God bless us all. Bye!